The things that's the difference between it's a trailing shoes. Ending this trail is Hey, what's up guys? Today is another unboxing video. You probably know what we're unboxing today. That's why you're here. There must be something about unboxing video, even though you know what I'm supposed to be unboxing. I was actually thinking of doing this video or not doing this video. But anyway, you're here now, so let's do unboxing. We have this box from Nike. And obviously, you know what's inside. One of the reasons why I got this trailing shoes is because when I got my first one, which is the previous model of this one here, well, I said I'm gonna get it when they offer a GORE-TEX version. It's a trailing shoes. Well, it's almost the same as the other one, except it's GORE-TEX. That's the difference between my previous and this one here. As you have seen probably in our many videos, we like to go out, and most of the time, if you are in Ireland, the weather is unpredictable. But if you really want to go out, you just have to go out. You shouldn't let the weather dictate your lifestyle. That's why there are shoes like this. This is the Nike Pegasus Trail 3 GORE-TEX version. So the check is meant to be reflective, can make you more visible when you're kind of out and about. Tell me what you think, guys. Leave some comments down below. So now that you've seen the unboxing, so why not go out and have a test? What I'm feeling at the moment, it seems like it's not as jelly-ish compared to the version 2. You can feel it's kind of solid down there. So far so good. The shoes, it fits me well. Obviously, I've chosen the right size for my feet. When it comes to feel, it feels comfortably, as I mentioned earlier. If you happen to be looking for shoes like for trailing, for outdoors, and just for walking, probably, you know, you should try this out. We are inside the Bishop's Palace or the cafe. Okay, Mrs. K. What do you have there?
I'm having cappuccino.
Cappuccino. The menu here, there's some different kind of
Something light.
yeah.
Actually,
And even their burger, they have like vegetarian burger, isn't it? Hey, what do you have there?
Bao.
Bao. Yeah, that's
It's called bao or
bao in the
coconut shell.
Philippines. Coconut shell, isn't it?
It's lovely.
Oh yeah, that
I hope
is.
they came from the Philippines.
Yeah, probably Thailand.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Really nice.
what is that?
I actually have one at home.
What are you having?
I'm having vegetarian falafel in a wrap
In a
and some
wrap.
salad.
Salad, yes.
Yes.
And I am having this vegetarian burger and sweet potato fries. Now we're gonna try this sweet potato fries. So nice. We're just coming out from this cafe. That's the Bishop's Palace Cafe.
Look at the view there.
Waterford Crystal. We are going out for a walk again.
To burn those
Yeah.
calories.
Apparently, after eating, it's very beneficial for our health. Have a walk for like 10 minutes. Anyway, this is the Medieval Museum. You probably have seen us here before with our previous video. We were featured in the Philippines GMA GTV back in the Halloween season. After having some food, we walked around the town, as I said earlier. With this kind of weather in Ireland, I guess you really need to have something like
Waterproof.
waterproof shoes like
Yes.
this, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what did we get? We got something from Dom. Anyway, that's what we ended up, you know, from going to town.
It's a bit heavy.
It's a bit heavy.
So I feel I regret buying it.
Yeah,
And
I was
going
carrying
for
it
a
earlier
walk.
anyway. But yeah, it's time to collect the kids. I'm outdoor having a test on this NIKE Pegasus Trail 3. One of the things that is good about having a GORE-TEX shoes is that when you're walking on a trail like this, you're not kind of worried about stepping on a mud, or if there's any like bit of a flooding. It's just okay. When you're walking like this in Ireland, you'll always see kind of like this. So they're like fairy doors. This Anne Valley walk out in the Dunhill, County Waterford, is a nice trail walk. Kids can just chill as well with you. Ending the trail walk is right above there, wherein you can see the Dunhill Castle. When you're going for a trail walk, weight is something that is really need to be considered. And for sure this shoes is lightweight.
Make sure you like and subscribe, or else.
Hopefully you've enjoyed the unboxing and the test out of this NIKE Pegasus Trail 3 GORE-TEX version. So that's it guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.